Hello everyone, good evening. Today's date is 6 December 2022. Today's Viva topic is difference between functional programming and object oriented programming. Functional programming importance is not a given to data but to function. It follows declarative programming model. It uses recursion for iteration, does not have any access specifier. It is parallel programming supported. To add a new data and function is not so easy. No data hiding is possible, hence security is not possible. Users immutable data follows declarative programming model. Its functions have no side effects. Flow control is done using function calls and function calls with recursion. It uses recursion concept to iterate collection data. Execution order of statements is not so important. Supports both abstraction over data and abstraction over behavior. Object oriented programming importance is given to data rather than procedure. It follows imperative programming model. It uses loop for iteration, has three access specifiers, namely public, private and protected. It does not support parallel programming. Provides an easy to add new data and function. Provides data hiding, hence secure program and are possible. Uses mutable data. Follows imperative programming model. It methods can procedure serious side effects. Flow control is done using loops and conditional statements. It uses loop concept to iterate collection data. Execution order of statement is very important. Supports only abstraction over data. Thank you.